Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to remove objects or text from an image in Photoshop. First thing you want to do is make sure that you have the latest version of Photoshop with the new AI remove tool. So the first thing you want to do is go to Help, then go to Updates. Now, this is important, but you have to click on Check for Updates in the upper right corner. Now, a lot of people make the mistake of simply updating their Photoshop from this screen, but what you really want to do is go to the beta apps and simply install latest Photoshop from here, which is the only way to get the absolute latest version of Photoshop beta with all of the new AI tools. Now, using the new AI remove tool is the easy part. So go ahead and click on the remove tool button. Make sure that remove tool is selected. Now let's go back to the image and I'm going to remove the car object from the background. Hold the mouse button down and simply start drawing around the object you want to be removed. Your object will be removed as soon as you release the mouse button. So make sure not to do that too soon. Simply releasing the mouse button will trigger Photoshop to remove your selected object. So as you can see here, Photoshop replaced the yellow car with a blank road. Now to remove text using the same AI remove tool, simply paint over the text and release the mouse button. And just to see what happens, I tried to mask the entire image, but when you do that, Photoshop will actually give you an error. Can't choose the entire image, brush over a smaller area. I guess that's fair, so I decided to see what happens if I remove the road, and it gave me this blank forest background image.